Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add one word by word subtitles on CapCut on your video. So first of all, you want to of course generate captions. So you're going to press on captions right there and you will see auto captions and press generate. Now after you will have all your captions, make sure that they are all selected like so. And after that you want to go ahead and press on captions right there. Then press on text and choose the font you want to go ahead and have. So let's for example make the yellow ones, and let's choose for example this specific font and text. Yes, so it would be uppercase. Now here's how it looks like. Now if you want to go ahead and have every word by word, you want to go ahead and press on animation right there at the top, and in animation, instead of in, out, or loop, you want to choose captions, and the first option, bounce out, is the one you want. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and check your video. As you can see, it's word by word, and that's pretty much how it works. And now you can of course scale it and make it bigger, just like so. And again, check out your video and see if you like it enough. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.